Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Facebook error in turnip. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook error in turnip, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that you will enter here to storage, sorry for that, apps and then Facebook. After that you will click force stop and then you will go to click storage. Here you will go to click clear cache and then you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.